it's Christmas Eve, and I thought what better way to spend a little time with you than to give you a tour of my house and how I have it decorated for Christmas this year in 2023. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the tour. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe it's already Christmas Eve. I feel like this month has gone by so fast, and I can't believe that Christmas is already here. But I couldn't let this holiday season go by without giving you a tour of my house and how I have it decorated for Christmas this year. So I hope that you enjoy this little tour, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing is. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, I just wanted to say welcome and just introduce myself. My name is Melissa, and on my channel you'll find all things homemaking, whether it's home decor for every day or for the seasons. But I also do some shopping hauls as well as recipe ideas and meal ideas. So if you like that sort of thing, I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You'll have to let me know in the comments what your style of decorating is, whether you use more neutral colors in your Christmas decorating or if you decorate with traditional Christmas colors. I mainly use traditional Christmas colors, but I do have a few variations here and there throughout my house. I would love to know what your plans are for Christmas. Let me know down in the comments. We are staying home. My family is in from Georgia, and so we're gonna have a quiet Christmas morning, Christmas day at our house. My son also is in town from Texas, so I was super excited about that. But we're just having a quiet Christmas morning. We do open presents on Christmas Day. Let me know when you open presents. Do you open presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? what do you eat on Christmas Day? Do you have a traditional kind of Thanksgiving kind of meal, or do you venture out and have something different? This year we're actually just kind of having party foods. I'm having some pigs in a blanket, we're having some dips, we're having some sandwiches, chicken salad sandwich, deli sandwiches, and just kind of that kind of party food just to kind of graze on all day. Let me know what you have. Christmas is definitely my favorite time of the year, and I always just look forward to it so much. But on the same token, it always kind of makes me sad because I feel like the holidays are so rushed and everybody is, so busy that really, and like I said earlier, this December has gone so fast. So it kind of makes me sad knowing that it got here so quickly and it's going to be over. I do keep my decorations up past the new year. Let me know when you take your Christmas decorations down. I want to enjoy mine as long as possible, so I usually don't take mine down till maybe mid-January. And finally, I wanted to show you some of the rooms when it's dark and most of the lights are turned out and all you see is the glow of the lights and the glow of the trees. And so that's what I'm showing you right now. But I just want to tell you that this has been an awesome year. I just want to thank you all so much for your support and your just always being willing to watch my videos and give me your comments and your likes. It really does just mean so much. And I know that 2024 is going to be an awesome year. And I know I said it already, but if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would join my YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I really do hope that everyone is having a wonderful Christmas. Have a very Merry Christmas, and If you want more videos like this, then check out the box you see on the screen right now, and I will see you guys next time. Merry Christmas. Bye.